Have you ever wondered why one of nature's stealthiest predators wears such a bold color? Tigers are famously orange, not the best camouflage in theory yet, a brilliant feat of evolution. Most prey animals, like deer and wild boars, can't detect red or orange hues. To them, a tiger's fiery coat blends into the green-brown jungle as if it were camouflage. Add those signature black stripes, and you get the perfect optical illusion, movement masked, presence hidden. What looks striking to us is nearly invisible to their prey. Their coloration reflects the delicate harmony between adaptation and survival in the wild.